you want to come up? Say hi? Come here. Hello. There, we're gonna say good morning to everyone with love, 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 love. Stevie usually sleeps in our bed under all the blankets in the mornings, but she heard me rummaging around this morning in the kitchen, so she came out. So I thought maybe you guys would like to see the back of her head. Yes, I know. They're so happy. They're so snuggly. I love you. I love you. It is about 9:30 and I have spent the morning working on new charms for the shop, printing about 1 million labels, getting those orders that I talked about yesterday out. I've got a really big box over here that is the wholesale order that I talked about, so that's also going to go to the post office whenever I drop all those other orders off. And then I'm also going to finish the catacomb mittens today, the first pair. I don't have the fingerless version made, but they won't take as long. They won't take as long, Steven. She says you have too much energy for me this morning. Too much energy. But at least I can put out like an official teaser photo once these are finished, the first pair is finished. That way you guys kind of know, because I haven't really released much of anything about the catacomb mittens other than the testing call, which was snatched up pretty quickly. And one of my testers is completely done, and then I don't remember how many testers I have for the catacomb mittens. It's been a few weeks. I think there's 4 of us, if you count me. I think there's 4. Anyway, so everyone is making some progress. Tanya is just ahead of all of us because she's amazing. So, yeah, I know. Hi. This is just baby. This is just a baby. Look, that's a widow. Look, too widow. Here, say hi. Say hi. That's so cute. Oh, stop it. You're breaking my heart. You're breaking my heart. The vlog today is just gonna be staring at Steven while I hold her. You see where Rory gets her wallering of Stevie and her kisses? Stevie just wants to cuddle. She doesn't mind. I do think it's weird. Like, do your guys' dogs just let your children or you like waller them and roll around with them and like hold them like a baby and kiss them aggressively? Do you want to go now? Okay. So, yeah, I'm curious. Like, is it a small dog thing? I've never had a small dog in my lifespan. I grew up around hunting dogs, and we always had one family dog. So when I was a kid, it was a golden retriever, and then as I was a teenager, it was a black lab, but she and I didn't really, like, I was already kind of moving out by then, so she wasn't really my nanny dog. Mine would have been the golden retriever. So yeah, I haven't really been around small dogs other than one Chihuahua that was old and grouchy when I was very little. So I'm curious if it's a small dog thing that she lets Rory just romp around with her and like they play like you've seen in a few clips. And whenever we got Stevie, I was doing research on miniature pinschers because that's like the main type of dog she is, and it said that like the only downside, they're high energy. I guess they're one of the highest energy dogs, but okay. And which, I mean, she does have a lot of energy, and they're not super great with kids sometimes, like small kids, but she loves children. She loves babies. All of my sisters have very young children, and she is so gentle with them and so kind to them. We might actually see both of them this week, so I will show you as much as I can of how she is with the little baby, with the little kids. She really likes babies though, so like I don't like her getting in their face. So usually I'll put her up when the babies are around, but toddlers, like she'll like play tug of war with our 2-year-old nephew, and she's just like Stevie goes crazy for tug of war, and she will just very gently take the toy back from him, and Abel is his name, and he'll just squeal while she's doing it. He thinks it's so funny. So okay, I'm going to pack up and knit, and I need to take pictures of those new charms, and that is the plan for today. And tonight I would like to make a proper supper. Last night I just ate chicken nuggets and fries with the kids, because honestly that's what I wanted. I didn't want a fancy meal. I just kind of was tired. I had made those cookies, which didn't turn out great. I really don't like the self-rising flour. It is very salty. The protein content is lower, which I don't know if that's why the cookies seemed drier and crispier, not in like a great way for me. Especially with these cookies, they have so much peanut butter and fat and stuff in them. They're usually really soft, and these were not. So yeah, that was kind of a bummer. But I think I'm just gonna toss that bag of flour because I don't like it. I don't like how it tastes, and it has a very strong baking powder taste, baking soda taste. Is it baking powder or baking soda that is in self-rising flour? Anyway, all right, I'm gonna go. I'll check back in later. So I have the Pillsbury cutout cookies, jack-o'-lantern candies, Frankenstein candies, and some new mandrakes. So yeah, I need to get these photographed. I need to put cheeks on. These are all okay, and then I need to put faces on the Frankensteins. Etsy is still acting super weird. I had to go through and do all these individually in my computer, not in my phone, but they are live, and I'm gonna go make an announcement on Instagram and then knit for a little while, I think. Okay, so it feels really weird today. Today feels weird. I don't like it. I'm gonna raise this up. I don't like Adam being gone in the office. But I ordered some of this like rubber hollow tube that I've seen people use to like transfer stitches on their sweaters. And I've been bummed because the two sweaters I'm working on for myself, I haven't been able to try on. So the plan is to try to use this to make my needles longer. I could try on the Arachne sweater and my Tolsta tee, because everyone that has seen me working on the Tolsta tee has said that they think it's going to be too small for me. I don't think it's going to be, because I am knitting up the gauge for my size, but I would hate to be wrong. It fits! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. It's itchy, see? I'm very excited to wash it with conditioner. I don't know about this. It is scratchy. Alright, I'm unfortunately going to do the same thing now with the Tolsta tee. Not excited about it, but I'll meet you back here after I put it on. I wanted a negative ease, and it's negative ease, but it still like fits. See, this is really comfortable. So I wanted a high collar like this. I don't regret it being this high, but I do think next time I'm gonna go for more of a scoop neck like the pattern calls for. But when it gets cold outside, I may not care as much. So, but yeah, I like it. I think this might be something kind of weird to talk about, but I wanted to mention this blanket because Rory and I were laying under it last night, and it's actually from Goodwill. There was just like this section of handmade crocheted blankets, and this one's pretty soft. It's definitely acrylic, and I don't know, it just broke my heart that it was in there and someone had went to the trouble of putting like the ruffle on and just really beautiful work, and it was in such good condition. So it's mine now, and it has a second home, and we really like it. Me and the kids love it, and the cats really like it. They sleep on it all the time. So yeah, it has a new home. I don't know if its maker is still alive or how old it is, but hopefully it would make them feel good to know that it's safe and it's not in Goodwill anymore. Boop, 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 boop. Do you like the blankie too? Are you gonna go sleep? Oh, she's sleepy. Are you cleaning your eyes? Oh, Steven, you're cute. She's cute, girl. Who's it? Who's here? Who's it, Steven?
Eternity.
Steven!
See, you just like, please.
Ah! He's here! Steven! He's here!
Stevie's daily routine.
I loved you, 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 I missed you, I missed you. What are you making, Ro?
Biscuits.
Biscuit what? You remember what were dumplings?
You're making stew. I know what stew.
Yeah, it's chicken and dumplings.
Spill it, spill it.
I don't really know.
Spill it, spill it, spill it.
It's gonna have to be by person, by individual.